We can use the equality and inequality operators to compare many more things. The equality operator can be used to check if two strings are identical, while the inequality operator can check if two strings are different. Take for example this comparison. Here, we're checking if the string educode is equal to educode. This is true because both strings are identical. Please note that when using either operator, the case of each letter in the string is important. For example, if we write one of the strings in lowercase, then the program will output false instead. Let's build a little program to experiment with string comparisons. We're going to ask the user to enter two words with prompt instructions. Then we'll compare these words to check if they're the same. In the code editor, start by creating the variable first word. Assign it the value returned by a prompt instruction asking the user to enter a word. Do the same thing for the variable second word. Next, create the variable string compare and assign it the result of first word equal to second word. Once that's done, run your program and try out various string combinations to see how the equality operator behaves with strings.